Maha Cartoon TV.
The Invisible Witch. Oh God! I have never experienced such intense pain. Oh God! Please give me some relief.
Okay, listen. I have given the patient a dose of painkiller and tablets for the wounds healing. But you immediately have to arrange the blood. If we won't get the blood on time, the condition might be serious. You take blood from my body, but please save my wife. Please save her. Okay, fine. I try and do something about it.
Doctor, please give me some painkiller. This pain is really killing me. It's legit killing me, doctor, please.
Ma'am, I have already given you some shots of painkiller, but your body doesn't have enough blood to heal, and that's why it's taking so long to work on you.
Oh Lord, what are you punishing me for? What kind of a disease it is? Please, God, help me, please.
Compounder, please prescribe me some medicine that gives me instant relief.
We have given you all the necessary medicine and now you need blood immediately. Your relatives have gone to arrange it for you. They haven't come back yet.
It's already been 2 days since Maya got admitted in the hospital, but she hasn't gotten any better. The doctors are saying that in her body barely has any amount of blood left.
Bro, I'm genuinely sick of arranging the blood for the past 3 days. But it's just never enough. My wife and all kids are in the need of blood. I don't know what to do, brother.
Hey Madhav, why do you look so stressed? Everything is fine, right? Tell me.
My brother needs blood immediately. I need to look for some arrangement right now, or else it will be too late.
Don't you worry, brother. I'll arrange blood for you.
It's such a weird and strange disease. It's as if all the blood just leak from the body through the wounds.
But as far as I know, the blood doesn't leak from the body. I guess it just dries up inside the veins. I think this is bigger disease than we think it is.
It feels that this disease won't leave us soon. It's gonna take lots of time.
What are you saying, brother?
I am telling the truth, bro. I'm just coming from the hospital, and their doctors were telling me that there hadn't been such a severe pandemic in the history of mankind.
The doctor shouldn't delay finding some vaccine for this disease now.
What has happened to Bhola? Why does he look so upset?
Brinda died in the hospital.
Oh, that indeed is disheartening. And now I am even more afraid. A lot of people in the village are hospitalized and their condition is worsening.
God knows what kind of trouble our village has gotten into.
People in the village are dying on daily basis.
Oh God, why aren't these doctors doing anything? Seems like they don't understand the severeness of the situation.
I need all of you to calm down. We are trying our best to save all those who are affected by the disease, but due to lack of blood in their bodies, it's getting difficult for us to operate them.
We will arrange as much as blood you need, but you at least start the treatment.
We are doing all that we can. In fact, we are doing more than that, but we are unable to find out the cause behind this disease. The biggest troubles we are facing that all the blood from the patient body is getting released. We are unable to understand where is all that blood going, and most importantly, how is it happening.
But I haven't seen any blood getting released from the patient's body.
Oh, I meant the level of blood drops in the body.
Really?
I did everything I could in my order to save my wife's life, but I failed miserably. I did lot to save my darling wife Maya, but nothing helped her, and so now I'll go to hail down Goddess Kali. She is my last ray of hope. Even I went through so much to help my brother live and get out of this pandemic with flying colors. But now I can only count on Goddess Kali. Om Him Claim Bhat Swaha. All hail to Goddess Kali. Jai Ma Kali. Jai Ma Kali.
Oh Goddess, please listen to our plea and help us to deal with this situation.
Oh, you guys are praying here since morning.
Yes, priest. Now we don't even know what else to do. Only Goddess can help us now. The entire village is in danger. At least one member from each family is dying because of that incurable disease. And now our last ray of hope is Goddess Kali.
If Goddess Kali will bless you, then all the difficult times will come to an end soon. But the sun has settled down now, and it won't be safe for you all to stay here at night.
Priest, we won't leave the shrine until all our village people get cured. We won't leave from here.
I am leaving for my home, and I would suggest you all to leave for yours.
All hail down to Goddess Kali. Please, please help us, Goddess.
Villagers, I know you are all hiding in the shrine and praying for your well-being. The blood of your village people is damn delicious and tempting, and I absolutely love it. I won't leave your village until I drink all the blood from your bodies.
Are you behind all the troubles of the villagers?
I don't trouble any villager. I just go drink all the blood from the patient's body. Come on, villagers! Come out of the shrine one by one right now.
I am sure you know that what goes around comes around, don't you?
I don't care about what's coming around. The only thing I care about is sweet, tempting blood.
Oh Goddess, please save us. Please save our lives. Please save us. Please save our lives.
What is happening to me? I'm dying.
Oh Ma Kali, we are truly grateful to you.
We all swear that from today onwards itself, we will every day pray to you.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.